G'day, I was ADV rider. Today I'm out on a no plan ride, just having a look at my local area. Looks like we've got a pine plantation here. Yeah, just gonna have a look around. No real plans. Let's see what we can find. Now, I do have a habit of getting myself into more trouble when I do these rides on my own, because I don't have a plan, I don't know the tracks. I end up going places I probably shouldn't. Anyway, see what happens. Righto, let's go see what Wallaby Truck's got installed for us. Mud, more mud. I believe there's a Goldfields track that goes between Ballarat and Bendigo, and I've got a feeling Wallaby Truck is part of that. So much different. Last weekend I was up at Bendigo and it was so dry and flat there. Completely different here. It's about an hour and a half away. Righto, put my feet through that. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, we're halfway through spring already and it's bloody cold. What is it now? It must be nearly 11 o'clock. Still around 10 degrees. It's starting to warm up. Very cold this morning. What's that? Great dividing. Okay, this is part of the Goldfields track. There you go. Good to know. Yeah, we'll have to piece all that together and try it one day. It'd go through Castlemaine. There's lots of good riding through there too, I believe. I've done a little bit of it and it was good. Yeah, what have we got here? Nice big rut. Yeah, real good. I'm going to go across there though. Stick to the right. Get it in gear. Ooh. Okay. Now what have we got? I'm going to have to look at this one. It's doable but risky. I'd have to go up there. One little slip and you're down in the bloody rut. I'm not getting through that. That's too narrow. Oh shit, that's slippery as. I know I'm better off if I'm going to do it, just go for it. At the same time, I'm thinking if I just go nice and slow, I can lean my foot on that side and just putt up there. Getting serious, we'll get out the other gloves. So how am I going to go there? Better for me leg down there, am I? I'm just going to have to stall it. My foot's stuck. That's it, we're up. Oh mate. If I come back I'll go that way. More mud. We go up and around. Oh, it's better, a bit of airflow. Righto, watch the track. Yeah, what's around the bend though? Cool. Plenty of challenges on this track. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ooh, got a hill. We're all good. It's always a bit scary starting the hill when you can't see the whole lot of it, if you don't know what you're in for. Sometimes you just got to go for it. Oh man, what have we got here? That way, and that way. Far out. Yeah, which way now? What do we got here? A little campground. Sign's not showing which way to go. We'll go down and have a look at it. We'll go and have a look down here anyway. Ah, there's a sign over there. Righto, we're back on the Goldfields track. And we're getting very steep. Let's just turn around, have a bit of a look at that one. Oh, far out now. That does not look like a track I should be riding on. Right, so it looks like that track does go through, but it definitely looks like a walking track. It's yeah, very narrow down the bottom. So what I'm going to do is head back the way I came. When I get, well, that's if I can find my way. Yeah, I'll head back the way I came until I get to that big rutted hill, and I'll turn off and avoid that. I'm not going down that. It's scary enough going up it. Looks like a pretty good spot to camp there, doesn't it? There's bloody tracks going everywhere around here. Yeah, I'll follow those Goldfield signs back until I get to the big rutted hill. Righto. I know I went that track. I think I'll do the same again now. Ooh. Now that's the big ass hill there, is it? Yeah, I'm gonna go that way. Doesn't look as bad from this side. But I'm going to play it safe, hopefully. I don't know what this track's like yet. Yes, I've just set the map for home and I'm just taking whatever track looks good and let the map sort it out. It can direct me the right way back. Bloody hell. Ooh, what have I got myself into here? Oh, far out. Shit. None of them look like good options. Or I'd chicken out. Now I need to get up, pointing the right direction. That one doesn't look too bad, but I'm pointing the wrong way. Oh, they got a friggin' log up there. That's where I want to go, right down the guts of that. If I can turn around, that is. They got a log blocking the way up there. We'll cross that log when we get to it, I guess. I'm just going to have to go over there because I'm pointing the wrong way. Oh, Kidna. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let's go have a quick look. He's heading back to the bush. These are little anteaters. Check that out. He's trying to stay still. It's not the best place to camouflage, dude. You're a bit Let me just come around here. I'm going to hurt you. He's tucked his head right in. You see his nose up. Trying his best to hide. He's not doing a good job. So I found some awesome tracks today. That was good fun. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.